Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, it is that time of the year where the awards and accolades are awarded to the players who have had a stellar year for their club and country as well. In the football world, there are two main individual awards that are considered to be the top tier: the Ballon d'Or and FIFA the Best. The FIFA World Player of the Year award was merged in a partnership with France Football Ballon d'Or in 2010 and became known as the FIFA Ballon d'Or for the next 6 years. FIFA agreed to pay £13 million to merge the two awards, with Messi and Ronaldo were the big winners, as the La Liga stars dominated throughout the 6-year deal. But FIFA decided not to renew the deal in 2016, meaning the Ballon d'Or lost its FIFA tag and reverted back to being voted for by journalists, as a separate award as FIFA the Best awards were created. This Monday, Ballon d'Or awards were presented to celebrate the best players in world football, while FIFA the Best awards will take place on January 17, 2022. Although both awards have the same premise in awarding outstanding individual talents, but there are a number of differences between the two awards, which set the Ballon d'Or and the Best apart from one another. The magazine France Football is responsible for the Ballon d'Or, while football's world governing body, FIFA, is the driving force behind the Best. Ballon d'Or takes into account a player's performances over the course of the calendar year, while the Best assesses players over the course of a season, from summer to summer. The winner of the Ballon d'Or is voted for exclusively by a panel of journalists from across the world. On the other hand, the Best is decided by what FIFA describes as an international jury, comprising the coaches and captains of national teams, journalists and fans. Naturally, the trophies themselves are also different. The Ballon d'Or is a striking golden ball resting on a pyrite base, which is made to look like a bed of crystals. FIFA the Best trophy, meanwhile, is a platinum and carbon construction, which resembles the highest prize in football. First awarded in 1956 to Stanley Matthews, the Ballon d'Or is the older of the two accolades, while the Best first appeared in 2017 in Zurich, Switzerland, with Cristiano Ronaldo picking up the first award. This year Ballon d'Or ceremony took place in Paris on the 29th of November, which was won by Lionel Messi, while the next edition of the Best event will be held virtually in Zurich, on the 17th of January 2022. Tell us in the comment section which player deserved FIFA the Best Player award this year. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.